MBA Crash Course, Digital Marketing and Social Media Strategy. Introduction. Welcome to the MBA Crash Course on Digital Marketing and Social Media Strategy. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need to have a strong online presence and effectively leverage social media platforms to connect with their target audience. This course will provide you with the essential knowledge and skills to navigate the dynamic landscape of digital marketing and create impactful social media strategies. Let's dive in. Interesting stories and examples. The rise of Airbnb. Airbnb's success story is a testament to the power of digital marketing. Through innovative strategies, such as user-generated content, personalized recommendations, and targeted advertising, Airbnb disrupted the hospitality industry and gained a massive following. They effectively utilized social media platforms to connect travelers with unique accommodations, leading to their exponential growth. Wendy's Twitter roasts. Wendy's, a fast food chain, gained significant attention and engagement on Twitter by adopting a sassy and humorous tone. They engaged in playful banter and roast battles with their followers and competitors, generating viral moments and building a loyal online community. This example showcases the importance of authenticity and engaging with customers on social media. Nike's Just Do It campaign. Nike's iconic Just Do It campaign is a classic example of a successful digital marketing and social media strategy. Through inspiring stories and powerful visuals, Nike connected with their target audience and encouraged them to push their limits. They leveraged social media platforms to amplify their message, engaging millions of people and strengthening their brand identity. Top 12 Digital Marketing and Social Media Strategy Techniques. Content marketing. Creating valuable and relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. This includes blog posts, videos, infographics, and ebooks. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results, driving organic traffic and improving visibility. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Running targeted ads on search engines and social media platforms, paying only when users click on your ads. Social media marketing. Leveraging popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers who have a significant following and influence in your target market to promote your products or services. Email marketing. Building a subscriber list and sending targeted emails to nurture leads, promote products, and maintain customer relationships. Video marketing. Creating and sharing videos to captivate your audience, convey your brand's message, and increase engagement and conversions. Mobile marketing. Optimizing your website and campaigns for mobile devices, including mobile-friendly designs, mobile ads, and SMS marketing. Social listening. Monitoring social media platforms and online conversations to understand customer sentiment, gather insights, and respond to feedback effectively. Data analytics and insights. Using analytics tools to track and analyze the performance of your digital marketing campaigns, gaining insights to optimize your strategies. Online reputation management. Managing your brand's online reputation by monitoring and addressing customer reviews, comments, and feedback across various online platforms. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. Improving your website's user experience, design, and content to increase the percentage of visitors who take desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. Summary. The MBA Crash Course on Digital Marketing and Social Media Strategy has equipped you with essential knowledge and techniques to navigate the digital landscape. By leveraging content marketing, SEO, PPC advertising, social media marketing, and influencer marketing, you can effectively reach and engage your target audience. Email marketing, video marketing, and mobile marketing allow you to connect with customers on a more personal level. Social listening. Song. Verse 1. In the world of pixels and screens, where connections are made, digital marketing and social media strategy will pave the way. From captivating content to SEO's might, we'll conquer the online realm, shining bright. Chorus. Digital marketing, a strategy so grand. Social media's power, in the palm of our hand. With techniques aplenty, we'll make our mark. Creating campaigns that leave a lasting spark. Verse 2. PPC advertising, will target with precision. Reaching the right audience, making a decision. Social media platforms, where conversations flow. Engaging with our followers, letting our brand glow. Chorus. Digital marketing, a strategy so grand. Social media's power, in the palm of our hand. With techniques aplenty, we'll make our mark. Creating campaigns that leave a lasting spark. Bridge. Influencers we'll partner with, their voices so strong. Spreading our message, reaching the throng. Email marketing, building relationships with care. Nurturing leads, showing them we're there. Chorus. Digital marketing, a strategy so grand. Social media's power, in the palm of our hand. With techniques aplenty, we'll make our mark. Creating campaigns that leave a lasting spark. Verse 3. Videos captivating, stories to tell. Through visuals and emotions, we'll cast a spell. Mobile optimization, reaching on the go. With responsive designs, our audience will grow. Chorus. Digital marketing, a strategy so grand. Social media's power, in the palm of our hand. With techniques aplenty, we'll make our mark. Creating campaigns that leave a lasting spark. Outro. With data as our guide, insights to unfold. We'll adapt and improve, turning silver to gold. Digital marketing and social media, a dynamic duo. Unleashing our potential, let the success flow. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.